Hey guys, this is Miss 7 Days giving you all a walkthrough on how I do my own hair. That's how it all got started. Me doing my own hair, getting so many compliments, and they like, girl, they know you didn't do your own hair, and I'm like, I did. That's how I always try to attempt a style on myself first before I even try to do it on my client, just to make sure I perfect it. So what I did here, you see me flat ironing my hair. I washed it. I rinsed it. I had cut it already prior to this, but right now I'm gonna flat iron it and get it all straight and silky. Then I'm gonna go and do a cross check cut just to make sure that it's cut to perfection. And once I'm done doing that, I'm gonna take a couple of pics so you guys can see the final results. Alright guys, thank you. Stay tuned.
Let me tell you about you. Right now you acting shy, but I get it about you. But in a good way, you know what I meant. Your headphones in, but I can tell it ain't no music playing in it. But if it was, you'd probably be listening to Lauryn Hill or something real. Still play Future when you wearing heels. A good mix, a good balance. I'm guessing you a Libra. I'm the money, I'm a Pisces. Pleasure to meet you. Before we split, how about we exchange digits? I know you doing things busy and probably won't hang with me tonight. Well, I don't mind if we just talk for a while. Here go my number to dial, whatever to make you smile. She like crystals, a little weed here and there. Her skin shine like the disco, get tangled up in her hair. And she like Henny and crystals, a little weed here and there. Her skin shine like the disco, get tangled up in her hair. I can see me with this girl for life. Yeah. How you doing, Miss Lady? Glad you hit me up. See, you a real deal player the way you stood me up. I'm just playing. I know you was busy. I like an independent woman, so it's good you don't need me. But look, I heard you in the crystal, so which one is this? Look, I trade you my rose quartz for your amethyst. I was thinking of turning it to a bracelet. I'm loving this conversation. Let's see how far we can take it. I got a few things that's on my mind. Not attracted by just your vibe, but your body too, I want more. I got a glimpse and it got me tipsy. I'm stumbling but still sipping. I think I'm falling in love. Love, 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 love. And she like Henny and crystals, a little weed here and there. Her skin shine like the disco, get tangled up in her hair. And she like Henny and crystals, a little weed here and there. Her skin shine like the disco, get tangled up in her hair. I can see me with this girl for life. You out?
Yes, sir, man.
All right, brother. I'ma hit you.
Please send this to me.
I got you.
This wig is from Wig Dealer, by the way. I love this hair. This is like one of my favorite brands so far. I see why all the celebrities is getting it.
Yeah, she like Henny and crystals, a little weed here and there. Her skin shine like the disco, get tangled up in her hair. Yeah, she like Henny and crystals, a little weed here and there. Her skin shine like the disco.
Thank you guys for watching.